Who is ready for a lesson on how to get a man for Valentine's Day? Woo! Well, if that's what you came for, that's not the right video for you. But before you go, I can help out with something. I can help out with your makeup, so your makeup will look good and you can get a man for Valentine's Day. Does that sound good? Does it sound good to you? Or okay, so hi, my name is Mathilda, and today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create this flawless look so that you can look bomb for Valentine's Day or any other day. If you want to look good for yourself, girl, do you. So I'm not going to be showing you guys how to get a man for Valentine's Day, but the only thing I can help you out with is how to look good so you can attract your crush, your man, your anything. No, weird. Okay, so guys, if you guys want to learn how to create this look, then keep on watching. I'm gonna be starting out with the moisturizer. I'm gonna be using the Pixi Beauty Retinol Yo, did you guys see that? I'm gonna be using the Pixi Beauty Retinol Jasmine Lotion. You're going out and you're gonna need your skin to be moisturized. Nobody wants to see dry, musty skin. Like, you need to moisturize your skin, so that's why moisturizer is so important. Like, I can't even stress it enough. I'm gonna be applying my Nuban Beauty in my skin foundation in the shade Alakija. You want a full coverage look for this day and Valentine's Day look, because you don't want your makeup to go anywhere. So I'm adding a lot of foundation just so that this makeup look is gonna stay in place all day and night. Our foundation is on and we're ready to slay this game. So the next thing I'm gonna be doing is highlighting and contour. And guys, I've been doing so much highlight and contour content on my channel as of late. I don't think you guys really need me to do my highlight and contour today. If you guys want in-depth video of doing my highlights and contour after foundation and also do my highlights and contour before foundation, it's on my channel, so I don't want to bore you guys today. Let's skip that and I'll be right back. I'm done with my contour and highlights. I have my Flawlessivy setting powder here and I'm just pouring it on the lid. Now I'm going to be using a powder puff like this. Firstly, I'm going to set under my eyes. I'm going to blend under my eyes. Next, I'm gonna take the powder, dust off the excess on my palm, and set it. Guys, this makeup look is what I like to call going nowhere. What I mean by that is this makeup look, when you do it, your makeup is not gonna go anywhere. It's gonna stay in place all day. And you are going to look flawless, like flawless. Just follow along and you're gonna get to your finish line. So what I'm just doing is I'm pressing in the powder underneath my eyes, just pressing it. Am I gonna bake today? I'm not sure yet, but if you don't like baking, this is going to be good for you because it's going to make your under eyes look so smooth. Like, guys, can you see? Like, it looks really good. So I'm just setting it real quick because ain't nobody got time. Now my face is set, locked and loaded. I'm gonna go in to add color to my face. I'm gonna be using my Zikel cosmetic powder. I'm gonna be using these two shades together and just using that to set my contour, because now my face looks flat. Yes, it looks smooth, but this is not the final look. So just going to set that contour. Don't forget your forehead. If you are looking to make your forehead look smaller, if you have a big forehead, you want to make your forehead look smaller, then you want to contour that forehead, guys. It gives you that illusion of a smaller forehead. I'm just going in with the white shade from this palette right here. This is the translucent shade, and I'm just going to be using that to brighten under my eye, just so it won't look just one color. I want it to look bright under here, so I'm just using the white to accentuate it even more. The brows are done. Now let's go on to the fun part, which is the eyeshadow. Guys, this eyeshadow I'm gonna do for you, This eyeshadow is going to be the easiest eyeshadow you've ever seen in your life. For this eyeshadow, I'm going to be using just 2 brushes. A fluffy brush like this and a flat brush like this. That's going to show you that this eyeshadow is something that anybody, literally anybody, can do. Because ain't nobody got time to be blending and blending and blending. You have a date to go to, so let's keep it moving ASAP. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my Mood Beauty online palette, and I'm gonna be going into the orange shade right here. So I'm gonna be tapping the orange shade into my crease, starting out from the edge. Tap, 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 tap. So I left you guys to go cut my crease off camera. What's wrong? You don't know how to cut your crease? Oh my god, I'm so sorry, I did not know. So what I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna leave a card here so you guys can watch my how to cut your crease video, so you won't be left out. I don't want you guys to be left out, so please watch that video on how to cut your crease so that we can proceed from here. Please go watch it. Don't worry, you will learn how to cut your crease. Just watch the video. Very informative. You will learn. Go watch it and come back. Let's continue. Now we are here with the people that know how to cut their crease. Let's move on. I'm gonna go into this pinky shade right here. I'm gonna tap that shade on my lid. No, let me just use my hands. It's faster. Oh, this is beautiful. There's a problem, and I really don't know what to do. I need your help. So my eyelash glue just got finished. I just realized it's finished, and I don't know, this look needs something. It really does need something. Although it looks beautiful, but I feel like it needs a little bit of oomph. And since there's no lash, what am I gonna do? I think I'm gonna be using glitter. I'm gonna be using this glitter. I haven't really tried this particular shade yet, so wish me luck, guys. I'm gonna be using this as a glitter liner, so I think I'll just do that off camera. If you guys want a dedicated glitter liner tutorial, then let me know in the comments. For now, off camera. So I went ahead to apply my glitter liner and also did a little fox eye look, and when I tell you this look is banging, this look is banging, I am ready to steal your man. Because this look looks so good, and ooh, I'm obsessed, like literally obsessed. Now we're done with the eyes. You guys can see I am looking so good, and if you follow along this makeup tutorial, this is how you're gonna look. So if you're still here, guys, please subscribe to my channel, like this video. You can't watch my videos and not be subscribed to my channel. Please subscribe, like it doesn't cost you a thing, but only subscribe if you actually enjoy watching my videos. Don't just subscribe for subscribing's sake. I don't want to have subscribers that are not watching my videos, so yeah, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Show me love this Valentine's Day, guys. Show me love. Share my videos, like my videos, comment on my videos. You know, I give you guys love, so you guys should give me love back. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Milani compact makeup powder, and I'm gonna use that to finish off my face. So firstly, when it comes to dusting off my face, I don't just wipe. I go in back to this powder puff, and I just press it in just so we can retain that brightness. So yeah, just gonna press it in. Now I'm going to go into my Milani compact powder, and I'm just going to press it into my skin just to mesh everything together. Can we really go on a date night without blinding the whole restaurant? No, we can't. So I'm going to be going into my Mood Beauty palette. I'm going to be mixing this shade and this shade together, and I'm going to use that to blind the haters, blind everybody, blind your date, blind everything. Guys, I've come to terms with the fact that I don't have a Cupid's bow, so I don't even bother trying to create one anymore. I just follow the natural shape of my lips and draw my liner like that, because I'm trying to get better at my lip application, so I realized what's even the point of creating a cupid's bow? Ain't nobody got time for that shit. What can I say, guys? This look is a banger. It looks so beautiful and perfect for date night and Valentine's Day. However you wish to spend your Valentine's Day, this look is perfecto for it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys have any video ideas, please leave it in the comments down below. If you guys have any video requests, leave it in the comments below. What do you guys think about this look? Did you like it? Did you hate it? Let me know in the comments below. As for me, I like it and I can't get over how beautiful it looks. But I would have really loved it if there was lashes. This would have made the whole look like so nice, but there is no eyelash glue, so we have to work with that. But aside from that, oh my god, this look looks beautiful. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, you can check out my previous videos, which I'm going to leave on the screen. And before my next video, you can check me out on other social media: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, all Mathildaduku. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna see you in my next video.